Challenging times often bring negative thoughts and emotions. Resilience is the ability to bounce right back despite the adversity. It enables you to face the world and often emerge back even stronger than before. Resilience is an inner resource that can grow over time. It enables you to consistently feel joyful and peaceful even when things get rough. Know that you can put brakes on negativity's downward spiral and bounce back. Welcome to Guided Meditation on Resilience. Allow yourself to be comfortable in a space free from distractions. Keep your head, neck, and trunk straight. Gently close your eyes or soften your gaze. Notice your surroundings and space around you. Make your body comfortably steady. Allow me to take you through a progressive relaxation practice where you will tense muscle groups and then release the tension. Just use 50% of your capacity to tense the muscles. Tense all the muscles of the face, starting with forehead, cheeks, mouth, and upper neck. Then release with full awareness and notice the relaxation. Tighten the shoulders by pulling them upward and forward. Then release. Tense the entire right arm from shoulders to the fingers. Do this without making a fist or raising your arm. Release with awareness. Tense the left arm in the similar way and release. Gently tense the muscles of the chest and the abdomen. Continue to breathe and then release. Tense and release the right leg from the right hip down to the foot and the toes. Tense and release the left leg from the left hip down to the foot and the toes. Tense and release the whole body. Now relax the whole body. Become aware of your breath at the nostrils. Feel the cognitive sense of touch. If the mind wanders off, gently bring it back to the breath. Use the breath to anchor the mind. Positivity is the primary reason that some people, despite all odds, keep on bouncing back stronger. You may not be born resilient, but you can build resiliency by raising your positivity ratio, which is the ratio of positive to negative emotions. Positivity can loosen the negativity's grip and open your heart. Moments of joy, love, gratitude, hope, and inspiration can remove the blinds of negative emotions. Positivity is the heart of human resilience. Positive emotions are like the hidden reset buttons, which you can use when the situation demands. Let's harness the power of positive emotions. Bring to mind the loss of a loved one, a trauma, or a serious illness. Let the emotion of grief or pain arise. Just notice the emotion and acknowledge it. Now transform the suffering into inner strength and determination. Use that inner strength to redefine your purpose and sense of meaning in life towards a bigger cause. Meaning is a strong positive emotion. Strengthen your purpose and define the meaning in life. Continue to be aware of your breath at the nostrils. Anchor the mind to the breath. Openness is another attribute of resilient people. Mindfulness is an open-hearted awareness in the present moment with an attitude of openness and non-judgment. Resilient people use both openness and positivity. The openness along with positivity enables you to see the big picture, appreciate the now, and find the good within the bad. Openness dissolves the negativity and enables people to make a stronger comeback. Being open means cultivating curiosity and acceptance. Imagine a difficult situation that you are facing now or have faced in the past. Let the emotion of slight anger or frustration arise. That is suffering. Translate that feeling of suffering to a positive state. Hold the negative emotion with more openness, kindness, and compassion. There is no need to suppress the thoughts, feelings, and sensations. Instead, just acknowledge them, appreciate them, and allow them to pass. It is what it is. Just observe. Know that this too shall pass. Let go of that emotion. Come back to the breath at the bridge between the nostrils. Be aware of the breath at the left nostril. Be aware of the breath at the right nostril. Bring your awareness to the body. Be aware of your surroundings and the sounds near and far. While being aware of the healthy, positive emotions like love, gratitude, purpose, and meaning, and while being open and curious, and while being aware of your innate ability to thrive despite adversity, gently open your eyes. Thank you for joining me. Namaste.